Here we will write a program to accept list elements and print square of each element using list comprehension. So first in comment line we will write. So first we will define empty list and we will accept total elements to store in list. So n equal to int, enter total elements. We will define one integer variable I which is initialized with 1 and we will use while loop. So while I less than or equal to n, we will accept the list elements from the user and store in list. So e equal to int, input, enter element, and we will append this number to list. So L dot append e, and we will increase I as I equal to I plus 1. Outside the while loop, first we will print original list and we will print L. Then we will find square of list elements. So I will define another list, square list equal to x into x for x in L, which is a name of a list, and we will print square of list elements and we will print SQ list. I will give an input and I will execute. I will give total element as 5 and I will enter the elements. First it will print original list as 3, 4, 5 to 6 and then it will print square of list element as 9, 16, 25, 4 and 36, which is a square of original list elements as 3, 4, 5 to 6. Here we have used list comprehension for squaring the list elements.